YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. You see what we're doing today, man? We're back with a lab boss. You see me? I'm saying a broad boss. I don't know who that is, man. It's a new artist, gang. That's a producer. Who that is? Yeah, you feel me? That one name Grateful. If you want to check it out, because you don't know, say, yo, we forever grateful over here. I always give thanks to the Father, the Most High. You see me? I say, God. You see me? I say, the Almighty. You see me? The King of all kings. You see me? I say, we have to be always grateful. You know? Thank Him for life. Thank Him for another day. You see me? Another chance to make a change. You see me? I say, gang, for once you have life, over, you can always make a change, man. You can always achieve your dreams. So we have to be grateful. Something like your title as a chat song already. Yeah, man. So big up Lab Boss. I want to name Abroad Boss. I want to name Grateful for to check it out. Before we do that, hit the like and subscribe button, gang. Help me hold up my stress. You're supposed to know the code by now, Help me hold up my stress, man. As a big man, Help me hold up my stress, man. You see me only week you have to help out you like that. Anyway, gang, we'll jump right into the track right now. You see me I say? We got Lab Boss, Abroad Boss. The one that name Grateful. Let's get it.
What a God, I know I'm not talking about Missy. I talk about the God of pain music, Chronic Law. Now, if dancehall had a LinkedIn, Chronic Law profile would I say expert in pain, badness, and depressive gun lyrics.
Angle pon the cave vanish like just a boat.
Hold on, if Chronic Law, you have a what?
Had a LinkedIn, Chronic Law profile would I say expert in pain, badness, and depressive gun lyrics.
If Chronic Law, you have a LinkedIn, he has an expert in pain, badness, how many blows? That's what it hilarious.
I would I say expert in pain, badness, and depressive gun lyrics.
Angle pon the cave vanish like just a boat. Cuban and 2M, you know the letter code. JLE, AMG episode, tire peel when we catch your road sport, ready mode.
Say, man said the angle on the thing vanished like dress about to blood clog. What?
Vanish like dress about Cuban and 2M, you know the letter code. JLE, AMG episode, tire peel when we catch your road sport, ready mode. But she and my brother never sell him out. Put 2 blood clot house up away.
Shout out to Bashi, man. I see me sorry for him last. He lost his daughter the other day to some crazy situation, man. So big up Bashi, that can't be easy, man.
Never sell him out. Put 2 blood clot house up where we grow. Let the roll in the sun, not know with the way it snow. First class airplane flights, money get the phone. If you take a snap, yeah. Who come from shame, money get a back. I'm a mother, alright.
So come on, we have to take a snap, man. Yeah, man. Where we are come from shame, alligator, come true.
Get the phone. If you take a snap, yeah. Who come from shame and they get a back. Father no walk and no daddy no my chat. I'm a mother, alright. So no
say
we
father no walk and no daddy them a chat. Dog, hey.
Walk and no daddy no my chat. I'm a mother, alright. So no we born me. Yeah, man. Burden every door, catch your flow. Time my brother shoulda make it out, let it out. Painful me up on memory, bro. But suck your mother who no nah go get we out. Too great, can't lose too.
That is it, suck out. No mother man, no nah get we out. You see me and say, mother, the fight is, you see me and say, no, we gonna make it through. We can't get we out. We can't get to give up. Never. Come on.
Too great, can't lose. Too great,
Can't lose.
We live by grateful. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you. Grateful.
Talk truth, no man, we have to be grateful, Dan Mafia always say, go on through.
Oh no, this is from grassroots, yo. We are the nigga, them did that out now. Could the killer house push the beam and them in and out. Some make it with a car, some nigga make it with a pound. But me make
We are the nigga, them did that out. Yes, man. We see them when they did that out, man. They think so we are gonna make it, man. They know so we are gonna make sure so we dream come true. You see me? They know, yeah, man, they know so we take it from something from just a thought. And we're gonna make it into something tangible. They never know.
Grateful. Oh no, this is from grassroots, yo. We are the nigga, them did that out now. Could the killer house push the beam and them in and out. Some make it with a car, some.
Are we the nigga, them did that out? Could the killer house a push the beam and no? Easy, no, man, no. I'm telling you, don't we, no. We are gonna shame them.
Oh no, this is from grassroots, yo. We are the nigga, them did a doubt now. Could the killer house push the beam on them in a now? Some make it with a car, some nigga make it with a pound. But me make it with my pain and now big garrison shout. And
some make it with a call, some make it with a pound, but me make it with me pee and easy no chronic.
yeah, the nigga, them did a doubt now. Could the killer house push the beam on them in a now? Some make it with a car, some nigga make it with a pound. But me make it with my pain and now big garrison shout. And anyway I tell my boss him a tick in the crowd. House in a hill, no coffee thing alone. Plus a bad for real and not the bucket if alone. So just swing from
we bad for real and us bucket if alone, you know, brother. We bad for real self, and us people I call upon like some people. Oh, we have tongues, we have links, we have do it myself. Go ahead.
no coffee thing alone. Plus a bad for real and not the bucket if alone. So just swing from we like when taxes if at all. We have the Glock, the 30 belly and the baddest bitch at all. Who never get the view, me know you got the picture.
We got the Glock, the 30 belly and the baddest bitch at home, brother. Move up.
From we like when taxes if at all. We have the Glock, the 30 belly and the baddest bitch at all. Who never get the view, me know you got the picture now. Them try to bury me alive, me end up rotten richer now. Informing, I never the killer road now.
Yeah, we alive, but rotten richer now. Come in, man, we are going for everything we want, you know. They know
I walk with some deadly drugs, and nothing done pretty if you check the past. But them story, they make me laugh. Cause right now, man,
hey, nothing not pretty if you check your pass, you know. But them story, they make you laugh. I want to them no one, but chronic.
pretty if you check the past. But them story, they make me laugh. Cause right now, man, too great, can't too great, can't lose great. I brought me love with life, but I'm grateful. Talk truth, grateful, talk truth.
Grateful, I'm to no one.
Oh no, this is from grassroots, yo. Man, book them savior, you know I quote.
Yes, man. Grateful, man. Big up God. I'm to the man. Big up God. Yes, man. Forever grateful. Thanks and praises to the Most High, man. We're thankful for every little what we have. Don't it? Yes, man. Can't only little what we have in how much. Don't it? Yes, man. But yeah, man, gang. You see me that a chronicler, the one named Grateful. You see me friend, grateful for something in life. You see me and say, big up the tune, I drop that one up on your playlist. You see me and say, yes, man. You're grateful for your roof over your head, a bed for sleep and food for eat. Family will love you and care for you or dead for you. You see me and say, even though you might have an issue, still have to be grateful. You see me and say, yeah, it could be worse, you know. Yeah, it could be worse, man. Yeah, and you know, if you're in a worse situation, still be grateful for the way you're in, because it can change at any moment. You see me and say, yes, you just have to switch your mindset, man. Yeah, man, because, trust me, been through some stuff in life. Just keep Father, man. You see me? Just keep Father God in your life, and you will make it through anything. Trust me. Anything you will make it through. Just lean upon him and him alone. You see me? Anyway, gang, let me know anything about that in the comment section. If you like it, if you show the artist on love and support, make you know so the dance, you know. You see me dropping a request. I don't know, man, tell them drop a request so I can get on shout out, you know, man. You see me? Drop it through them, man. No, I'm doing drop it through them. Yes, drop it through them. Yeah, man. We're there, man, all the vibes, man. We want them to stay consistent and keep dropping these bangers for y'all, man. You see me? I say? Yeah, we getting in that mode, man. You see me, road to 10K right around the corner, gang. So do the right thing. Help me hold up my stress, hit the like button. 10K right around the corner, man. And this year, I tried, man. This year, I'm supposed to hit 20, 15, 20, 25K. But I need to get my mind right, gang. I need to get my mind right. You see me? I get it right. You see me? But hit the like and subscribe button, gang. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.